So guys, quick update lang tayo. So Visa Bulletin for January 2025 now is already available and published here in the website. So check natin kung ano yung cut-off date. So ito na nga yung final action date for employment-based preference January 2025 Visa Bulletin kasama nga yung Philippines. So ito na yung mga bagong cut-off date guys for this January 2025 Visa Bulletin. So congratulations kahit papano nag-move siya up to December 1, 2022. So from rest of the world, mainland China, nag-move din siya no. So from previous cut-off date ng April 2020, ngayon ay naging June 2020. Din sa India din nag-move din siya ng 1 month at the same time sa Mexico at saka sa Philippines. So once again guys, congratulations kahit papano. So this is the first movement of Visa Bulletin for fiscal year 2025. Ngayong January 2025, so yun nga wala siyang movement start from October, November, December. At ito yung first movement niya ng fiscal year 2025 which is the new cut-off date is December 1, 2022. At least nag-move siya ng 16 days forward from November 15 to December 1, 2022, including yung Philippines. So muli guys, congratulations. Napaka-eksi naman yung minob niya for almost 16 days lang pero at least ang pinaka-importante nito ay hindi nag-move backward. So ito naman yung final action date for family sponsor preference from F1 to F4 for Philippines. So ito na yung mga current Visa Bulletin update for January 2025.